This is Wayne Melissa Travel. We recently went to Minneapolis, St. Paul, and we stayed in the Hyatt House in Bloomington, Minnesota. It was less than 5 minutes from the Mall of America and about 10 minutes from the Minneapolis, St. Paul airport. We used 6,500 Hyatt points transferred from our Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Come take a look and see what you can expect from the Hyatt House, Bloomington, Minnesota. Thank you so much for joining us. More Hyatt properties are on the way. We will see you next time. Have a great day.